Okay, put a guitar in the case. There you go. There's the SKU number. This is the case. Put this in here. And here are the two string packs. Put those in the little cabinet here, whatever you want to call it. The owner's manual. The original warranty registration card from back in 2010. You can have that. And I took the bridge cover off because it got in the way when I played it. As you can see, I'm really terrible at playing it anyway. It's here in this plastic bag. The screws are still there. So I'm going to put that in there as well. One last thing, there's this, I forgot it came with this Rickenbacker guitar poster of all the models that they had at the time. I'm going to stick that actually outside the case, but inside the box, because it won't fit nicely inside the case. I don't want things to get wonky or ripped. So there we go. Put this down here and close it up. That goes there. And yeah, there's just one latch on that. And this just kind of sits there like that. So there it is in the case. Put the outside of the case done. Here are the latches here. They're not the most perfect ones in the world. Do the middle one first. There we go. And this one. And this one. I do not have the key for this locks for this case because this is, again, not the case that the guitar originally came with. So, but that's that. And there's, you can see the kind of the couple blemishes that the guitar case has on it. It's the bottom. That's the side. And of course, this is the top. So it has a few more miles on it that the guitar actually has. But it was just included with the sale when I originally bought the guitar.